Hello friends, I am Shan and welcome to my channel Creative Sun. Today I will show you how to create a rain effect in one click. Let's see. First of all, go to the window, then go to the action. Click on dot line in the side corner. From there, click on image effect, then click on the light rain. Then press the play button below. Look at this picture. A wonderful rain effect has been created. But the rain effect is very light, so I will make a copy of this layer. Then I will make it little smaller because not all raindrop size is the same. How do I make the layer smaller? See, Ctrl plus T. Then make it as small as you like. But after sorting, layer outline is visible, right? So how to delete it outline? Masking. Select the masking, then go to the brush tool, then make sure foreground color is black and background color is white, then paint on this layer. Very easy and very simple.